Hi guys, I want to show you a quick video on how you would fill in this long division activity sheet. So if you open up Google Sheets, you're going to get 8 different problems on how to solve using long division, okay? So use the notes and the practice problems we went over together. It has a class, and then you're going to try these ones on your own. And feel free to message me on Google Hangouts or video chat or whatever if you want me to do another screencast like this to help you understand how to do it. So if we're going to go to one of the problems, I want to go to, which problem do I want to look at? I want to look at number 6. Okay, so the big box is where you're going to put like your numbers or your x values. So if I were to actually divide this out, I'm going to end up getting sorry, my dog's freaking out here, m, and then the small boxes refer to your exponents. So you end up getting m squared for that first part. And I'm just going to keep working along minus sign, and then I have 8m, and then I have 1. Okay, and then I end up getting a remainder. And remember what we said about remainders, whatever your remainder is going to go on top, and the bottom is going to be what you're dividing by. So I'm dividing by m minus 2, and that's going to go on the bottom. And if you notice, the color changes. So the color, if it changes, that's good. Okay, so you're on the right track. When you're done, you're just going to turn this in and submit it. Please let me know if you have any questions.